If your Google Nest Cam isn't responding, it's likely due to a few common reasons. These include connectivity issues like Wi Fi signal strength or interference, power problems such as a dead battery or faulty adapter, software glitches from outdated firmware or app errors, account issues, or environmental factors like extreme temperatures. Let's troubleshoot. First, ensure your Nest Cam is properly powered. For wired models, verify the power adapter is working. Battery-powered models may need charging or a solar panel check. Next, confirm the camera is within Wi-Fi range. The Google Home app can test your network strength. Ideally, use the 5 GHz band for better speed and less interference. A simple restart can often resolve many issues with your Nest Cam. For wired cameras, unplug the power adapter from the wall outlet for about 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This resets the device's power cycle and can clear temporary glitches. For battery-powered Nest Cam models, you might need to remove and reinsert the battery. Always refer to your camera's manual for the exact location and procedure to avoid damaging the device. After restarting, give your Nest Cam a few minutes to fully boot up and reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. You should see the status light stabilize once it's back online. Outdated software can cause compatibility issues and prevent your Nest Cam from responding properly. Start by updating the Google Home app from your App Store to ensure you have the latest features and fixes. Step 1. Open your App Store and check for updates to the Google Home app. This ensures you have the most recent version with all the latest improvements. Step 2. Once the app is updated, open it and navigate to the Settings menu. Find your Nest Cam device and check for any available firmware updates directly within the app. Keeping your Google Home app and Nest Cam firmware up to date ensures optimal performance, resolves bugs, and improves overall reliability. Regular updates help prevent many common issues before they occur. The Google Home app is your central hub for managing Nest Cam devices. It includes powerful troubleshooting tools to quickly diagnose and fix common issues. The app features a built-in troubleshooting wizard that guides you through systematic checks for your Nest Cam. Use the Health Check feature to scan your Nest Cam for common problems like connectivity issues or outdated firmware. The app automatically detects and resolves issues such as Wi-Fi connectivity problems or firmware lags without requiring advanced technical knowledge. Follow the guided steps provided by the app to diagnose and fix any identified problems with your Nest Cam. Advanced fixes for your Nest Cam include checking your Google account linking and performing a factory reset if needed. First, ensure your Google account is correctly linked to your Nest Cam. Open the Google Home app and verify your account connection. Check the Settings menu for your account and ensure the Nest Cam appears in your list of devices. If it's disconnected, relink your account. If problems persist despite other troubleshooting, consider a factory reset as a last resort. This erases all settings and restores the device to its original defaults. Important, you'll need to set up the camera again after a factory reset. Use the Google Home app to perform the reset. In the app, select your Nest Cam, go to Settings, choose Factory Reset and confirm. Wait for the device to reset completely before resetup. To minimize future issues with your Google Nest Cam, start by keeping your Google Home app and Nest Cam firmware updated. Regular updates fix bugs and improve stability. Consider investing in a Wi-Fi mesh network for broader, more reliable coverage throughout your home. This reduces dead zones and improves connectivity for your Nest Cam. Emerging trends include AI-enhanced self-healing systems that proactively address potential issues before they become problems. These systems use machine learning to detect and resolve connectivity issues automatically. The future of Nest Cam reliability looks promising, with advanced AI diagnostics and improved standards. Expect advanced diagnostics powered by AI, like Google's Gemini integration, to proactively identify and fix issues before they occur. Integration with standards like Thread will further improve reliability in smart homes. These advancements could reduce not responding incidents to near zero through proactive fixes. The outlook for Nest Cam reliability is bright, with technology making smart homes more dependable.